Welcome to MTP Tech Talk this week. We're out at Regency Park in South Australia here. We're at the home of Kilic Engineering, and we're here with Craig Dennis. He's the General Manager. So today we're going to go through their product, the BunkerStacker, give a bit of a look through that, where our products are utilised in that system, and we'll learn a little bit about the company and what they do and the customer bases.
The pedigree of KE, or Kilic Engineering, dates back to 1975, when the current managing director, Jason Kilic, his father, started the business. Right off the bat, he was making material handling equipment for S.A. CBH.
So there's a rich history of agricultural.
Absolutely, yeah.
Yep.
So the foundation customer for the business was in fact the grain handling business, the monopoly business for South Australia.
Yep.
And the business then really followed the growth of the manufacturing sector in South Australia and made material handling systems, for household names like Simpson Pope, Electrolux, Sealy, Mitsubishi, General Motors, Holden, that sort of thing.
So conveyor systems, just any sort of handling within the organisation.
Exactly.
They did work for Mullins on our paint line out at Salisbury there at one point.
Correct.
So,
yep.
Yeah.
So we did exactly assembly line equipment. We did belt conveyors, elevators, lifting systems for those customers.
Excellent. We'll take a look at the machine a little bit closer and we'll go from there.
The process starts with the trucks approaching the hopper, a set of sturdy ramps, and then tipping the grain product into the hopper. The machine can handle single semi-trailers, double semi-trailers and triples. And it's all controlled from a series of operating platforms around the hopper. The grain is then taken away by a single wide belt conveyor onto the next part of the process. Once the grain is taken from underneath the hopper, it's delivered at a rate of 600 tonnes an hour to the stacker boom part of the machine, at which point it's propelled onto the grain pile. The stacker boom can be elevated or lowered as the grain pile grows, so that you can maximise the storage capacity of the grain bunker. And then at the end of the process, from this operator position, the operator can control where the grain lands by means of what we call a horsehead chute, which is able to move north, south, east and west and determine the final destination of the grain. So one of the great features about the KE BunkerStacker is the fact that it's self-propelled. It draws electricity from a large generator which is on board the machine, and that generator powers an electrical system for the conveyors and a hydraulic system for actuating ramps and valves, and also to propel the machine along the bunker. So one of the great things about this machine is that it's a driven machine, so it rolls along on wheels and tyres along the length of the bunker, so there's no need for any external equipment to get the machine into the correct position for loading the bunkers and receiving trucks.
Mullins Trailer Parts are proud to supply just a couple of small things as a part of this great bunker stacking machine from a great South Australian company, Kilic Engineering. We supply essentially two components for it. We do a complete hub assembly. We went through the process with Susan of sourcing a cast assembly. So we've gone down that path, sourced a cast assembly, put a wheel and tyre combination together that suits the load ratings. So again, we're just happy to play a small part in this great machine. Okay, so finally, we'd like to say a big thanks to Craig and also to Susan for having us here today and showing us through their machinery and the workshop and telling us a little bit about the history and what they've done. So thanks, Craig. Appreciate it, and all the best in the future.
Thank you very much.